Good morning, everyone. Today we're learning about multiplexes and demultiplexers. So, what is multiplex in general meaning? Multiplex. You learn about multiplex theaters. What is multiplex? In one theater, more movies, right? So output is one, but we have more movies. But at particular time, only one movie is playing, right? Same thing apply here. Multiplex. Okay. How that multiplex is equivalent in digital circuit. Let us see. So multiplexer is a digital circuit. Okay. Multiplexer is a digital circuit. Okay. It consists of so many number of inputs. Okay. It consists of so many number of inputs. I am taking n inputs, right? And only one output. Representation is given as n by 1, okay, where n is inputs, 1 is output. How the data is transferred from these inputs to output? Those are selection lines, okay, those are selection line. We have m selection lines, okay, m selection lines. Based on this selection line, we have to send which input to output. For example, in theaters, I want 11 a.m. show. In 11 a.m. show, only one movie will play, right? You selecting that movie only, right? Same that, okay, based on this selection line. Now, our selection line inputs are 0, 1, 1, so on 0. So this selection line is belongs to this input. Suppose this input. So this input is connected to output. Okay. If all are zeros, all selection lines are zero, then first input is connected to output. Remaining all are disconnected. Only first input is connected to output. Okay. This is the multiplexer circuit. So multiplexer circuit and there is a relationship between n, m. N and m, there is a relation. N is equal to 2 power m. This is the important condition. So we have n inputs, m selection line, 1 output. Okay. These are the multiplexer. Demultiplexer is reverse of multiplexer. Reverse of multiplexer. Okay. Means only one input. Only one input, n outputs. N outputs. And selection lines are common. M selection lines. Okay. One input, n outputs. So representation is 1 by n. Just the reverse of this one. Reverse of multiplex operation. Okay. Based on this selection lines, the input is goes to output. Okay. Based on selection lines, input will goes to output. Okay. Practically, these are used in TVs. Your TV remote. In TV, you have so many channels, right? How you select channels? Through remote. Here, remote is selection line. Channels are inputs. Okay. If you press 101, you get one channel. If you press 102, you get another channel. Okay. So those are inputs. Remote is selection line. Output is your TV display. Okay. This is the multiplexer. Real time example is your TV and remote communication. Okay. This is the multiplexer and demultiplexer. So multiplexer means n inputs, okay, n inputs, one output. The n inputs are selected based on the selection line. Okay, demux is reverse of multiplexer. So let's see the practical definition. So multiplexer is also known as data selector. Okay, so multiplexer is a device that allows digital information from several sources, means several inputs, means several inputs. So many inputs. Several sources means so many inputs. Routed to single line means single output. Single output for transmission over a line to common destination. So output is one. We have several inputs. So which source we have to select is decided using selection lines. Okay, decided using selection lines. The basic multiplexer has several data input line, single output, and also has data select inputs. Okay, which permit digital data on any one output to be switched to output. Okay, next, all multiplexer is a electronic switch. So data lines are represented as D0, D1, so on, Dn minus 1. Selection lines are represented as S0, S1, so on, Sm minus 1. And output you can represent it with F. Okay. F is equal to D0 when S is equal to 0. Okay. F is equal to D1 if S is equal to 1. You have to write binary representation. F is equal to D2 if S is equal to 2. Okay. F is equal to Dn minus 1 if S is equal to 1. Whatever the values here we have, all one side things. Okay. So on. Like that we have to calculate it, the multiplexer output. Okay. So internal diagram of multiplexer. This is the internal diagram of multiplexer. Based on selection line, the input will be, okay, rotates. So if I select S is equal to 0 means this input is connected to output. If S is equal to 1 means this input is connected. So on like that, based on X, input will be connected to output. Okay. Demux is reverse process of multiplexer. So demultiplexer. Next. Demultiplexer is also known as data distributor. Why? The input data, single input, is distributing to outputs, okay, according to the selection line. So it is called data distributed. It has n outputs, m selection lines, and one data input only. Okay, d naught is equal to input if s is equal to 0. If s is equal to 1, d1 is equal to input. Like this, so on we transmit. the output that are not selected are set to 0. Means if D naught is in, then D1, D2, D3, so on, Dn minus 1 are equal to 0. Okay, remember this point. This is the multiplexer. Usually n is equal to 2 power m. We denoted as 1 to 2 power m, or 1 by, we called it as 1 by 2 power m multiplexer. Okay, demultiplex 1 by 2 power n dmux. 2 power m by 1 is multiplexer. Okay, this is the basic definition of multiplexer. Okay, so this is the symbol. Input, single inputs, selection lines, m selection lines, and n outputs. Okay, this is the demultiplexer. Okay.